Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. Have you ever made up your mind to invest, but then again, you paused because you don't have a broker, you don't, know who to trust, you don't even know where to start investing, even though you keep hearing invest in mutual fund, invest in stocks, invest in bond, invest in dollar, even invest in naira. These days, there are a lot of app, to enable you invest. But your head will just start spinning in confusion because you don't know which app is safe, which is trustworthy, to invest your money with. And before you know it, you just drop your phone and say you will do it later. Well, in most cases, later never comes because you still don't have the right information to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you apps Nigerians are using right now, to start their investment journey right from your phone. That's right from your phone. And if you stick with me to the end, you will know exactly which app fits your kind of money mindset. I mean, your kind of investment goal. Because if you choose the wrong app, you will end up complicating your investment journey and just give up altogether, which is something I really don't want for you. So let's jump right into it. Number one, Cowrywise. Think of Cowrywise like that friend of yours, that always tell you to save, save, save. Cowrywise as an app, enable you save, and it always alerts you to save, and not only save. This app lets you invest in a lot of mutual fund via the app. So in essence, you're saving and investing at the same time, which is a clear definition of making money while you sleep. Cowrywise is perfect if you're thinking long term. The app even shows, mutual funds rating and performance of different mutual funds, fund managers, and even equity mutual fund as well. This enable you to see and compare which mutual fund or equity fund you would like to invest in. And guess what? It's all done just inside Cowrywise app. Number two, PiggyVest. Now, PiggyVest started as a saving app, then one day he decided to investify. What does that even mean? It means now you can invest in real estate, agriculture, fixed income. Now keep this in mind. PiggyVest has really gone out their way to ensure that all these investments listed on their platform are pre-vetted, right? So you don't fall into the wrong investment. And the app enable you lock your money in safe lock just so you can earn higher interest. Sounds good, right? Let's check the next one. Number three, Bamboo. Now, this is where dollar enters the room. All right, so are you the type that likes investing in dollars and you like to, check out which stock, I mean, US stocks, index fund, or ETF to invest in? Guess what? Bamboo lets you do all that and even allow you trade Nigerian stocks in their app. So you can invest in foreign stocks like Apple, Tesla, Google. I mean, another thing is Babu makes funding easy. You pay in naira and they will allow you convert that naira to dollar equivalent amount in a separate wallet in the app, just so you can trade with US dollar even without you going out there to source for dollar. Smooth and easy, right? I mean, they even teach you investment along the way. So here's the thing nobody says out loud. Dollar investment test your patience. Market goes up, market goes down. Now I'm talking about dollar investment, which is stocks, especially in bamboo. One tweet from Trump or breaking news of sad events in the world, tragic events in the world, or some unfavorable news about some big company which was listed in the stock exchange. Well, guess what? Your US stocks portfolio will react positively or negatively to that news. So the question is, are you emotionally ready for such emotional roller coaster? Think about it, but we're not done yet. Let's check out the next one. Number four, RiseVest. RiseVest is another app you can invest in, right? Using US dollar. They offer curated dollar investments such as US stocks, real estate true rates, Euro bond, and more. You know, it's very, very easy to invest in RiseVest. Now let's check the next one. Number five is Chaka. Now, the Chaka app also lets you invest in Nigerian stocks, UK stocks, US stocks, even China stocks, all in one place. So you can buy fractional shares, which is stocks, right? Meaning even your small money can travel far because you're right here but investing globally. Now, Chaka is different in the sense that Chaka shows market news, tracks latest investment as well. Everything happens right on that app all at once. But here's the question. When everything is available, what do you choose? Because too many options can freeze you. But you just have to make up your mind on which one that fits your investment, goal. Well, let's check the next one. The next one is Trove, which happens to be number 6. Trove is easy to use and navigate. Trove also supports US and Nigerian stocks, even ETFs, rates. Now, they also teach you financial literacy inside the app. It's a good thing because you get to learn while investing because learning after losing money is very painful. So, just take advantage of, the learning that goes on in Trove app while you're investing. So let's say the last one. Number 7, I invest. I invest is all about government-backed investment. Investments such as treasury bills, FGM bonds, euro bonds, low risk predictable returns. You and your money sleeps well at night. But the question is, would you rather invest in this type of government low risk investment like bond, treasury bills, FGN bond, or would you rather step up your investment game and try grow your money? Now, I'll leave that question to you. However, my channel can always be a guide when you need more information about what, where, and how to invest to grow your money. So, subscribe to my channel to always see my updates in that regard. Thanks for staying to the end of this video and ensure to utilize the information learned in this video. Have a nice day and bye bye for now.